Guys, buka tayo. Dahil papakita ko sa inyo one version to Tagalog siya, Tagalog. Kung paano daw namatay yung grandma ni Moana. Paano daw. Lagay natin siya dito.
Pero kung isipin mo, kasi
Kape ka eh.
nare-realize namin bayaw eh. Kasi bihira naman umabot ng 60 ngayon.
Pero ang IDL kasi ngayon, dati kasi ang IDL 25. Doon ako.
Pero ngayon,
Pero ngayon, ang IDL na rin mga 22. Ayun, 21 kasi nag-aaral.
kurangan yan.
High school na ako.
Kasi kung ano.
Ito mga high school, parang third year yan.
I'm a girl who loves the sea. It calls me. I must deliver it to everyone. I must been thunder. Been thunder.
Usapan natin magkano presyo. Iinumin na natin. Hindi, uwa. Siyempre, ano ba? Siyempre, ano ba?
Mischief. We are descended
Ano ba? Pag 6 natin. Ano ba? Pag 6 natin. Usapan natin.
goals.
Sinong bibili ng pineapple juice?
But I delivered it to everyone. I must been thunder.
Pero hindi ba? Tama yun.
And I must deliver it to everyone. It must been thunder. It must been thunder.
Yung pag-ibig pare,
And
kaya
I delivered it to everyone.
Pero ilang taon na ako? 15 ngayon. Nag-load na nga ako nun. Dami nang message sa akin. First? Hindi na ito.
It must been thunder.
Ilansa ko. Yung asabi ko nga, ilansa mo na.
Of voyage.
Huwag na mag-load.
They call me. I know the way. I am Moana. That's the island. The sea. They calls me. Delivered it to everyone. And most been summer. I most been summer. I must deliver it to everyone. He calls me. Do you subscribe? Do you subscribe? Wala pa. Voyagers. I delivered it to everyone. I must have been thunder. No more. What are you doing? I'm just singing, Maui. And goodbye. Goodbye. Liento ka. There's a big shell, and I don't know what is it. Maui. Defeating! Defeating, are you okay? I'm just okay, Maui. I gifted it to Moana. Just gifted it to Moana. Nililig this ito ka baka. You will be destroyed. I just gifted it to Moana. Be careful to give it to him. Good night, Grandma. Is hard.
Dating natuloy ko yun, ha? And you see, this is just gifted by the fish.
What I deliver it to everyone. Lost in thunder. Moana's grandmother was wake early. Dance with the water. The dance with the water.